My name is Roy. I'm the Operations Superintendent out in the NCOD. I look after the corporate workshops here, our fleet, metal and signage workshops. At the moment we're providing any amount of service throughout Dublin City Council and the front-facing end for all the customers that Dublin City Council have. We manage the workshops in a very professional way, and we're trying to run them as much like a business as we can, in the hope of trying to provide the best type of service that we can for our customers. Everything that we do here can be seen throughout the city at all times, and the lads who are running them are looking after them as best as they can.
My name is Pat Merriman. I'm the inspector over the fleet workshop in the NCOD. And what we do here is we look after all Dublin City Council owned vehicles for 6 different sections, such as road maintenance, housing, waste management. So we maintain all the vehicles that DCC own to be able to provide the service to the citizens of Dublin, such as street cleaning, road gritting and bin collection. For example, Dublin City Council provide a road gritting service throughout the winter. So for 6 months of the winter, they're out there gritting the roads in frosty weather. During the summer months, when they're not gritting, the vehicles are serviced and maintained and ready for the next winter maintenance programme.
Hello, my name is James McGraham. I'm the inspector of the metal workshop in the NCOD here in the new super depot in Ballymun. We cover a lot of work around Dublin City, and this work includes fabricating front gates, fabricating back gates, side gates. We do handrails for elderly people going into the houses. We also do handrails into flat complexes. We also make the brackets that will be on the street poles for the lights to fire on. We do weld on anti-vandal doors. This be doors so no one could get in and pull the power off, so it provides light all around the city. We do mess cages in community centres overnight where they wouldn't be able to smash the light. We repair the crash barriers that to be around traffic lights and all that. We fabricate them as well. So anything to do with steel, we will do it here in the NCOD. Whether we fabricate it, repair it, anything that's needed, we'll do it and cover it for the public, make them feel safe.
Hi, my name is Terry. I'm the inspector over signage in NCOD. Just to let you know a little bit about the section we're in. We do general signage for parks, we do branding on the vehicles, we do signage for waste management, do signage for housing. We get a lot of big orders in. The last one was for 1,400 dog litter signs to go around the city, and at present they are being distributed around the city. The process really that we work under is we'll get an email from somebody and then we'll design what's needed on the email. That'll go on to a printer, as we have 2 printers here. It'll go on from there onto the workshop, where they will either weed all the text out or we'll have just a format print which they'll work on. After that process they have to put an application tape onto it, and then we have to cut boards to suit that. Then they'll go along and apply the print onto the boards. In some cases we have to laminate the boards down before they go out to the customer. And basically that's the process for the general signage we do.